Yeah, so hey guys, just wanted to give you an overview of what Taskmaster is. So, what we've been seeing so far is that we've been talking about getting members to work on it, but most of you are still not aware of what Taskmaster actually is. So, I just created this skeleton diagram sort of thing to give you a quick overview of what we'll actually be working on. Uh, so, I understand putting you in tasks directly without you guys being able to understand how exactly the outcome is leaves most of us unmotivated, right? So I'll give you a overview of why we are actually building Taskmaster, okay? So first of all, why Taskmaster, right? So some of the problems we face in IEEE, let's talk about from a technical perspective, right? So whenever we have a new event, we have to create an individual website, we have to create a separate Google form or a type form to collect the registrations, and sometimes for paid events we don't have a proper system set up for that as well. Then when it comes to internal works, we have to update the team data manually for every new lead cycle in the main website. We don't have a proper data of all our team members from past to present. It's very cluttered when it comes to our recruitment flow, and obviously there's a lot of manual work also involved, creating and mailing certificates, and then managing all the team data and sheets. As I mentioned, we don't have past and present data, right? So how exactly do we solve this, right? It's too much work from our end, too much time consuming. We have better stuff to do, so that's why we came up with Taskmaster. So Taskmaster, right? We think of it as a one solution to all the technical work that can and should be automated. So Taskmaster involves a set of platforms under a centralized system that makes this boring and meticulous tasks automated. Okay, so as I mentioned, Taskmaster is a centralized system. We'll not get into the technical. I'll just tell you what we'll actually be building. So obviously we'll have an admin platform that mainly the leads can access, leads and heads, for obvious reasons, to update event details, to view the event attendees, to issue certificates to those who attended the events, to create new recruitments, to view the tasks submitted for each recruitment, centralized location for all members' data, and obviously share and update team information that can be from KTs to resources to roadmaps. All right. The second one we have is the main website revamp. So as I mentioned, we are manually updating the team data in the website for each lead cycle, right? So Taskmaster solves this problem by getting the information from a common database, and it updates dynamically based on how we set the data in the admin platform. Then even the events data is loaded from the same. We don't have to update it for each time, and obviously the website revamp will be a newer design, a newer version from the currently existing platform. Then we have the Amplify platform. So Amplify, right? AMP, all members platform. Credits to Kaushik Bear to coming up with this name. So this is a platform only for IEEE members. So we can see all the KT's information. Maybe we can have something like a feed, like an Instagram feed sort of thing, but within the IEEE team itself. Then a chat, maybe something I've thought of is assigning tasks within the platform. Then also for each domain wise, we'll have special roadmaps and resources available as well. And the next one we have is called the events platform. So I mentioned, right, for each event we have to create new website and then collect the data. But over here, what the Taskmaster solves is that we create an event in the admin platform, and that gets reflected over here. And in the events platform, students or anyone willing to attend has to create an account on the platform, and with that account they can access all the events in the IEEE SRM student branch. So Instead of them registering, filling their name, emails over and over again, we have the data stored in their account, and we use that one account and all events access. That's the idea of events platform. Not only saving time for us, but also for the people coming and attending the events. So other than that, obviously we'll have the event updates. We'll integrate a payment portal for paid events. Then the users themselves who have an account here, they can see the profile, their past events they attended, the certificates they received if they attended an event, and view all the past events information as well. Then we have the recruitment platform. So if we remember, most of you guys recruitments happen through a task-based system. While that is be continuing, the process will be made simpler. So you'll have to come to the recruitment platform, select like maybe 2023 recruitments, which domain you want, and then you'll be given a task, and in the same platform you'll be asked to submit the task either through a URL or through a upload basis. And this task will be accessed through the leads from the admin panel, and they will review it from their end. And once it's reviewed, it will automatically send the status update, whether you're recruited or not, to the candidate through an email and the in-app notifications as well. And we have the Bouncer app as well. The name credit goes to Snehil Vaya. So the Bouncer app is a mobile application that scans the QR code for the events, event attendees. Basically, whenever someone registers for an event, they will be sent an email with a QR code. Now that QR code is used for attendance, and whenever it is scanned, we will know that this person has attended, and we can mail them the certificate for that specific event. And the access to this Bouncer app will only be given to admins and heads. So this was like a very quick overview of what we are planning with Taskmaster. It's huge, and it will definitely create an impact in how we work in IEEE now and in the future.